Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about sparking curiosity when promoting your products on Messenger. Let's get started. Do you have products to promote to your customers? Do you want to entice them to avail your products or services? Do you know that people are more likely to purchase something if you pique their curiosity? Facebook Messenger is a great tool that you can use to entice your customers to acquire your products using the promotion that you offer. Most consumers are using Facebook to browse for the content that they are interested in. Businesses experience an increase in conversions on Messenger. Your business can achieve this as you promote your products with interested customers using Facebook Messenger. First, create an urgency. Every time consumers learn that a promotional offer ends on a specific date, they are more likely to be hooked with that offer. This is because they want to save money when they purchase something, even if there is no need for them to buy it at the moment. Once they learn about the promotion, with a limited time offer, they will give time to purchase the products that are included in the promotion. Next, you can offer free stuff. Everybody loves freebies. If you give your potential customers free stuff like free downloads, gifts, or free coupons, they will be curious about your products and they will be eager to learn more about the products that you offer. Take note that the free stuff that you should give away should benefit your potential customers. You can gain your potential customers' trust as you give them freebies. Remember that your goal is to entice your customers to engage with you. Take note that the first message that you will send to your customers should not always be all about buying your products. Once they respond to your message, your potential buyers will be hooked with your promotion. Next, tell them how it can benefit them. Inform them how the product that you are promoting can be helpful in their daily lives. You must look for the pain points of your potential customers so that you can address that problem and lead to a conversation that if they use your products, it can be a great tool to help them make their daily routine easier. Next, let your regular customers know about your promotion. These are your customers who have already purchased products from your business. They know that your business offers great products. These people are interested in your brand's niche, and you have already built trust with them. They might be busy, as they might not be aware of your current promotions. Letting them know about your latest promotion or offering them products that are on sale, new products that are in line with the products that they have bought from you, there's a greater chance that you will spark their interest and they are more likely to avail of your offer, increasing your sales. Promoting your products is essential to allow your products to be known to your potential buyers. If you take advantage of the benefits of using Facebook Messenger to promote your products, you can engage with customers and spark their curiosity, build their trust, which can lead to more sales opportunity for your business. If you want to automate the responses from your Facebook page, we have a marketing app that can help you grab leads without an opt-in form and send automated messages that gets near 100% open and click-through rates. It is the first Facebook-based autoresponder that you can find on the market. With Site Contact, your leads can subscribe to your list without an opt-in form. They can even subscribe with just a click of a button. You can send welcome messages, send message broadcast to reach all your subscribers. You can reach your audience both on mobile device and on their computer. It supports scheduling message broadcast to save you time, so you can send your messages to your subscribers anytime you want. Site Contact can benefit Facebook advertisers, e-commerce sellers, brands, product vendors, Facebook fan page owners, or even content creators. Site Contact is perfect for any marketer. Site Contact allows you to reach the market that you think was only possible with email marketing. To try Site Contact now, go to the URL getsitecontact.in and start receiving the benefits of Site Contact to grow your list faster, get better reach, and get more clicks. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.